Hi, I'm John Zimmerman, and I'm coming to you from Shady Oaks Country Club, and I am at one of the most pristine, beautiful homes in Fort Worth, designed by famous architect Weldon Turner with an unbelievable open floor plan that views the golf course from every angle, and built by Rick Yule as his personal home, and then added onto for the current owners. The craftsmanship and design work on this are second to none, and I can't wait for you to see it.
I don't know